On our bill of fare today, we are making this easy, delicious ice cream. Yes, better than the one you've been buying outside. And trust me, you are going to fall in love with it. If today is the first time here, hello, nice to meet you. This is Lena, and welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. I have with me here my heavy cream, and the quantity is on the screen. My returning subscribers and followers, I don't take your support for granted. Thank you so much. So please, after watching this video, if you've not yet subscribed or followed, can you please do so for me? I will be very grateful if you do that. You don't take money, it is free. Now, after some few minutes, I've added my cocoa powder, and that is a cup of cocoa powder. I will show you the type I used getting to the end of the video, okay? So please watch everything and do not skip. Thank you so much. So this is how it looks now. Please do not forget to share this video to others, and I will be very happy to read your comments in the comment section. We are on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please follow us for more videos on Instagram, TikTok, and then YouTube Shorts. We share short, detailed videos, and trust me, you will love it. So I have my Oreos here, okay, and that is about 15, okay. I'm just going to crush it, and then we can proceed. I will use my rolling pin to crush it. You can use any bottle or anything to crush it, and this is the type I used, okay. So I took one life from it. Now, after we are done crushing it, we are just going to add to the things we mixed earlier, and I did not crush it very smooth, okay, because we want the chunky Oreos in the ice cream. Thank you once again for being with me at this point. Have you liked the video? If you haven't, please, what are you waiting for? Can you smash on the like button for me? And I will be very grateful for that. Mix it very well till it becomes uniform, and then we can add our next ingredients. Just look at that. Very creamy, very delicious, and trust me, it was very soft and perfect than the one we buy at the shop, and everyone loved this. So with this recipe, we did not add any sugar to it or anything that has any sweet in it, like our sugar, condensed milk, and the honey. We didn't add anything because of the Oreos, okay. So now we mixed everything, and I have poured that in my bowl. We'll be adding the next ingredient or whatever thing that we need to add to this, and then we are good to go. It looks so good. Yes, if you want to add condensed milk to this, please, you can go ahead and do so. If you want to add sugar or anything sweet to it, you can add, but trust me, if you do this without the sugar or anything, it is perfect. You know, a lot of sugar is not good. Now, after we are done with everything, I am just going to sprinkle some of the cocoa powder to the ice cream, and I am going to show you the type I used, okay. Yes, after that, I will arrange some of my Oreos on the ice cream just for us to get that chunky and then the delicious Oreos in the ice cream. You can omit that. Now, this is what I used. It's a chocolate, no chocolate flavor, okay. It's like 3-in-1, and it tastes so good. Yeah, so you can use this, or you can use your cocoa powder, and you are good to go. Place this in the freezer and it is ready the next day. Now let me serve you. It was so soft. Just look at that. So soft, so delicious, and the family fell in love with it. Just look at that. Let me serve you some in my ice cream cone, and this was so beautiful and so delicious. Thank you so much for watching to this point, and please do not forget to share it to others. Please do not forget to subscribe for more videos and try this recipe. Trust me, you will love it. Just look at that. Oh my goodness, so nice. See you in the next video, and it was honor to have you here today. Bye bye.